Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through how to use an AirTag with an Android device. I'll be showing you the full step-by-step guide, but before we dive in, make sure to check out our latest software offer linked just below this video. Let's jump right in. The first thing we need to do is install a third-party app from the Play Store. At the moment, AirTags aren't fully compatible with Android devices, so we'll need to rely on this app to connect to and locate your AirTag. Just a quick note, this app essentially helps you track your AirTags since Android and iOS are different platforms that don't always work seamlessly together. But don't worry, we have a workaround that will help. Now, go ahead and open the Play Store and search for Tracker Detect. Once you find it, install it on your Android phone. After installation, open the app. It will prompt you to enable Bluetooth, so make sure to allow that. Then, as with any app, it's a good idea to review the terms and conditions to make sure you understand how your data and devices will be handled. Once you've done that, tap Agree. Next, you'll need to tap Scan in the app. It will begin searching for any nearby AirTags in your vicinity. This is how you can track your AirTag on Android, given that the two operating systems aren't fully compatible at the moment. And that's all you need to do. It's a simple fix for now, and hopefully future updates will offer even more seamless integration. If you found this video useful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Stay tuned for more helpful tips in our next video.